Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have my gel plate out, and I was making one of Eileen Hall's journals out of the Sizzix chipboard. It's just this, I think it's just called notebook actually. It's the one that's pretty, it's laid out flat. It's a smaller one, 8 by 5. And I took some acrylic paint. This is some paint I had in my stash from Bray Reese or Bray Reese. It's heavy body acrylic, and I have the light ultramarine and the ocean green. And then I grabbed this iridescent one from Prima that's really pretty. This is the inside of the journal, so once I score those lines, it will be there. And so I got my plate out because I thought I'm going to do some painting. It's just easy to plop it right down on the gel plate. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my 1, 2, 3, I think this is my 4-inch sprayer, and some stencils. And I have these 12 by 12 stencils that I haven't opened yet. Two of them are Rebecca Meyer designs, and one is a Balzer design with this fun script. Not sure I'm feeling that one for today, but it's really pretty. So there's this one that's called, what are the names of these? One is called Screen View, which is this one, and Distressed Lace. So might do the Screen View, I'm not sure, we'll see. As I want to get a base coat down before we do the stencil, so I'm going to go ahead and do this ocean green one. I forgot to grab some paper, some deli paper here to burn off on, just to kind of get a base layer here. We might have to do a few different things just to kind of layer it up. So I'm going to have this out because I wanted to try to paint that. But the other side's not really anything, so alright. Peel that off. And also you get all the lovely bits from whatever I had on here before. So I'm going to go ahead and get these bits in there. So let's get that down. And then maybe down here. Make sure I don't get it on me. I should be wearing an apron, but alright. So now we're going to start to build up some layers. I have a little bit of paint left on here, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and put the ultramarine blue down. Then we're going to lay our stencil down. And then we're going to quickly get that off. Into this side I don't want to paint from. And then I'm going to quickly take that off. And I'm going to put down the one here. Peel. Okay, it's subtle. So let's do this yellow. This is a metallic pure sunshine. I can't seem to open anything. Bummer of carpal tunnel. So I'm going to get some on there. And you can see the other stencil still in there. And then I'm going to pull the print through here. I gotta really press. It's kind of cool. Maybe even on the inside, I don't know. Hint, an echo of something. Alright. Get another piece of paper and pull a print on that, like some rice paper that you have, or you can get some more chipboard and do it that way. I think my daughter's practicing the piano there, so you want it to be a little bit translucent so that you can see the pattern through there. It's got a little shimmer there. The metallic coral reef. Again, gotta use my palette knife here to get a little bit out. with a thumbprint in the middle. This is what we've got so far, so we can make this the cover, or we can make this the cover. Titanium white here with my little twisty-do because it's getting low. One thing about the gel press is it just really is so easy to whip out at a moment's notice. So I'm gonna twist this. Make sure I don't open it towards me. There we go. And then I'm just gonna kind of go through here. Really quickly. Like that. Get the stencil off. And get this on rather quickly. Paper. That's kind of fun. I'm going to call that done for that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and get something to lift this print off. Love the little bit of shimmer that's in these Prima paints. Go ahead and put that down. Get some rice paper to work with our collage, which is always nice. And if you want to go ahead and clean this, you can clean it with a baby wipe, but I feel like, look how beautiful that is in the corner. I mean, all of this good stuff. Now, I can clean off this paper here. The rice paper will dissolve pretty quickly. All right, so we have our inside, we have our outside. Let's give you a nice up-close look. So I'm going to score on these two outer ones here. Trying to bend some of that back. Let me show you another one that I did with the stencil. This is the same pocket. I went ahead and did this mustard color underneath, and then I stenciled, put a stencil down, and then put this sort of, it's like an off-white through this, it's a Studio Light stencil. And then I've been working on filling that. So I put a little pocket here. I did some stamping on the inside. These are a great little size. You could put watercolor paper in here to take with you, or a travel journal to take notes. They're a great size to pop in your purse or to give as a gift to someone. And I put some of my papers in there and some little, that's a Craft Consortium paper, I think. This is my own paper, and then did some stamping. So that's the same. And you can make a few of them and put them in make a little library of them, but they're a lot of fun. They're a great little size. Eileen Hall likes to make those journals, and they're pretty unique to pretty much everybody else's versions that I've seen. So I kind of like how that turned out. It's kind of grungy and cool looking with the teals and the little shimmer from that yellow. I'll probably end up filling this with some papers and popping that in my shop. So if you want to check out the links below, you can always make my shop a favorite, and then you'll see when new things are posted. And I have a lot of my own artwork in there, and I make journals, I make different things. I get in different moods, so sometimes it's, you know, ebbs and flows there with how many products. I have de-stash stuff in there. So I encourage you to check that out. I encourage you to get out your gel plate and just have fun with it. Make it. If you don't feel like filling the journal right now, just set it aside and make a bunch of journal outsides. I mean, it's so easy to use. You could paint on top of this with some acrylic paint. I really like how that turned out, so I probably won't, but if it was an okay design, you know, I could paint on top of this some flowers or something, or I could paint on the inside. But anyways, I hope you enjoy that video. I hope it encourages you to get your gel press out, get out your dies, and have some fun with them, and just play with your supplies, guys. All right, thanks guys so much for joining me, and have a great day.